Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay not working on 1688 app. I have received countless complaints about this, and I'm going to address it another way around in this particular video right here. First thing first, let us watch this video. As you can see right here, so let me play it again. So take a look at this particular point right here. At the checkout payment section, Alipay was not reflected as it should be, just like what you see right here. But each time you want to pay, you are having this type of issues. So here, and if you click on here, it will ask you to enter Chinese mainland bank card. So I will tell you the reason why you are getting this and what exactly you need to do to fix this particular problem and start make your purchase using 1688 Chinese shopping app. Everything is going to be explained right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tahoba or pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on the screen right here, and with reference to the first video I played with you, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp. Hello, good evening. I'm your subscriber from YouTube. Please, I need your help on the tutorial you posted. So I respond, good evening. How may I be of help? Okay, please. I tried to setting up Alipay account, then I went through with the linking it with 1688, but I still can't pay using the Alipay option. S is bringing only Chinese bank card options, just like what you see in the video. And this is the screenshot right here. This is what is bringing, and the person have like 20 yuan in the account. So take a look at what you will always experience when you have this similar. So this is my response right here. Where did you download your 1688 app? So the response is App Store, which simply means that this person here is using iPhone. Okay, and then here, please, what is the solution? I recommend that they ask for that. Which card should I use? They are bringing Chinese card option. Now, in this scenario here, you can easily use, if you are a Nigerian, you can use either Naira card or you can use either Visa card or MasterCard for you of UBA Bank or GT Bank. It works perfectly for this particular scenario right here. So if you are a Nigerian, so if you are in another country, you can also use any Visa or MasterCard for second payment option. Okay. Now, why you are getting this problem here is that if you take a look at this particular video right here, so let me go ahead and place the video again so you can point out the problem right here. So why you are getting that, so if you take a look at this video from the beginning right here, you see that this 1688 app here is not the Chinese version of 1688 app. This is a global version of 1688 app. Why it is because you are seeing English language that is mixing with Chinese character. So you can see message, cards, and name. So if you are using the Chinese standard version of 1688 app and you follow the proper procedure of register with the account and linking it together, we don't have this issue. For everyone that are using the global version of 1688 Chinese shopping app, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, you are likely to experience this problem. So what you need to do is that you need to make sure you use card payment. So if you take a look at the top right here, from this video right here, you see that every item from the top right here, so let me play it again. So you notice that everything at the top right here, such as payment, overseas shipping, health center, choice, etc. You see that everything here was written in English language. So this is an indication for you that This app here is Global Fashion, and for every Global Fashion app, you are likely not be able to make payments with your Alipay because it is not configured for Alipay payment. It is configured for card payment, whether Visa card or Mastercard. Now, for you to use your card to make payment, you need to make sure you have the card. So once you have the card, you will not be able to see this again. So let's play the video again. So once you have the card, so when you get to the checkout, it will bring out the card instead of bringing out this particular interface right here. It will bring out the card. Then from there, you can select the card and enter your payment password. If you have not set your payment password, you can easily set it up. Once you set up the payment password, enter the payment password and wait for card authorization by your bank, and the payment will be successful. It's as simple as that. And once the payment is successful, it will redirect you back to your card or to your profile or to the sales page of that particular supplier. Then from there, you can easily track the goods on your profile on your 168 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China using 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.